In this video, I'm going to teach you how to link Warframe accounts mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you would like to try out Warframe on mobile devices and make sure that your progress is transferred over, then follow the instructions in this video and you will be able to get it done. I'm going to be focusing on iOS because currently, during the time that I'm recording this video, Warframe is not fully out on Android yet. But as soon as it is released on Android as well, you can follow the same general steps. So I believe that the process should be the same. So to start, download the game on iOS and in the future Android and go through the initial portion. You will have to sign in with either your Apple ID or your Google Play account. So just go through the initial portion of the game. To be absolutely sure that this will work, you should complete the tutorial and go through the setup until you reach your ship. Another important thing to note is that you should be careful when setting up the display name. It seems that back in the day this didn't matter while assigning your accounts, but nowadays your display name will actually be retained even after you connect your accounts. So be sure to choose the same display name or one that you like. Don't just input something random on your alias or display name. With all of that said, once you are done with the tutorial, you have to visit the official website. So at warframe.com, sign in using your email and password, where you have your base Warframe account or your main one, it doesn't matter. Hover over your name and go to Account Management. Now, under the option to connect accounts, you will find the option to link your Apple ID. And like I've mentioned in the beginning of the video, most likely this will be the same process for Android in the future. So I believe that there is going to be a Google Play Games ID here in the future, and you will also just follow the same steps. Click on Connect Account. This will redirect you into the Apple website, where you can sign in using your Apple account. As long as you sign into the same Apple ID that you did the tutorial with and the one that you created a display name for, you will see this screen. So your PC account will be displayed here to the left, your mastery rank should be reflected, days of login, and so on, and you will be able to link it to this Apple account. So as long as you go through the tutorial using an Apple ID and you do this process through the website, you will be good to go. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing because as you can notice, 83% of people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.